Tatik dah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Pura tulis yang pakcik belum baca lagi.
Yang play room bahasa Inggris, salah de prayan bahasa Prancis, salah de oracionnya ada tu bahasa Inggris, bahasa Spanyol. Pokoknya tempat sembahyang.
Oh lagi. Berarti yang tu PBB dah tempat sembahyang.
Nah, tapi kan tu PBB tempat sembahyang yuk tak yo di dasar ground floor.
Ya, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
国际难民无序流动，其中有不少就会转成无国籍人。根据我们的调研发现，中国国内在无国籍人方面没有特别突出的问题。中国自古以来就是统一多民族的国家。新中国成立以后，政府部门一直致力于促进民族团结，并组织专业人员对全国多个民族进行识别，确认了55个少数民族成分，为保障中国境内各民族的基本权利打下了坚实的基础。刚才有代表提到新疆哈萨克族的问题，根据我们了解，这不是一个无国籍问题，实质是双重国籍的问题。根据中国国籍法，不承认中国公民享有双重国籍，新疆核准再注销有关人员中国户籍的做法是有理有据的。当前，新疆正在依法采取一些措施打击和防范恐怖主义，对受恐怖主义影响、涉嫌违法犯罪情节较轻的人员，帮助他们学习有关就业职能和法律知识，让他们尽快在社会上正常就业和生活。需要说明的是，这些措施并不针对任何特定的民族。截止到目前为止，新疆已经连续22个月没有发生爆恐事件了。这是中国在打击恐怖主义的积极探索和有效尝试，得到了当地包括维吾尔族、哈萨克族在内的各民族的高度认可和支持。另外，我想说，作为同样是来自中国的少数民族，虽然部分哈萨克同胞选择退出中国国籍，但与中国和新疆的联系并没有割断。中国政府历来重视侨民工作，我也代表我们组织，希望与海外各民族侨民同胞加强沟通联系。谢谢。
Also note that despite the vague undertakings made by President of South Africa about how the process of expropriation will take place, lasting and unrealistic expectations have already been created among the masses.
The room is not doing anything.
Tomorrow at around
It's in Russian.
tomorrow right after around 6 o'clock. So you see outside.
Or if you see me outside. Except I have only Russian cards in Spanish. Do you read Spanish?
No. We're from Sumatra. We tried to take the floor today, but we've been waiting. Just very.
No, sorry, it's only in Spanish and. Wait, so but tomorrow you'll be here.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
In that case, June Park.
Yes.
So my name is Abdullah. So hopefully, I come from the United States.
Oh.
So because you go there, so we have to go there.
Well,
right?
not Austin.
No, Austin. You know Austin?
Yeah, we're right there.
Well,
Okay.
nice to meet you.
Pleasure meeting you.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, very good. Madame? Oui.
Macam sama. Bunuh yang ngasau apa khabar?
Dengan
Special reporter.
special reporter. Ya kenal kalian tadi.
Benar sama tak kalon ngasau apa khabar bunuh?
Nyo na pada mo panel, you know.
Ya.
Special reporter. Rakanyan in charge minority issues dan letak perkara-perkara yang jid tabah bagainya untuk terfikir perkara Aceh. Jadi bawahnya paling kurang gedanya kata demi network atau jaringan ke badan dunia yang jid terpegama.
Semangat, terima kasih.
Dan nilai
InsyaAllah. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mungkin saya sama kalon berhubung dengan yang kahanali, tapi insyaAllah lagi berkatanya terima kasih kalon. Terima kasih insyaAllah dan doa tanpa itu kalon tempat yang taban untuk merempak pegahaba lagi negara-negara lain kali pegahaba. Terima kasih kepada bangsa Aceh mendum doa kamu harap dari negara. Semoga katanya ibu wate senang untuk pegahaba secara lagi yang kai bibi ke negara-negara lain. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Examples and effective ways of our campaign strategy. Seeking our rights through international institutions provided an important form of exposure to the constant severe barriers. The Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights (OHCR) defines human rights protection as ensuring respect for human rights in concrete terms. The 2005 OHCR Plan of Action goes on to say, that human rights protection is not a specific tool or approach, but rather result to a desired outcome, where rights are acknowledged, respected, and fulfilled by those under a duty to do so, and as a result of which dignity and freedom is enhanced. Human rights protection results when, through specific actions, individuals who otherwise would be at the risk or subject to the deprivation of their rights are able to fully exercise them. It is based on international law and
inside of the room and not doing anything.
Tomorrow around
It's in Russian.
tomorrow right after around 6 o'clock. So you can see outside.
Or if you see me outside.
We just
I have only Russian cards in Spanish. Do you read Spanish?
no. We're from Sumatra. We tried to take the floor today, but we've been waiting, which is very.
Sorry, it's only in Spanish and. Okay, so but tomorrow you'll be here.
Okay, yes. In that case, June
Yes.
So my name is Abdullah. So hopefully, I come from the United States.
Oh.
So in case you go there.
Suicide. I think there's only other two or so there will be people coming to your side. Those of you who are take note, come up with talking points. Talking points are mainly keywords. You don't have to have PowerPoints. Alright? So remember, there's one on the substantive part and there's one on the human face of the subject. Okay? So those of you who have been given tasks to discuss on the human face, this is your experience, more on that subject. Now the substantive is more on the substance, it's more on the how. Okay? So the face is more on the experience.
Like I've got a lot of people to help. I think I told you what I had to say.
Okay? Now, I will be there to support. I'll be behind you. Okay? Now, tomorrow is your last day as well. It's unfortunate. All thing that comes, it ends. That's the beauty of life. You have 24 hours, my friends.
Don't make it
dramatic. What I would like to do. Go and celebrate. Yes. Go and celebrate. Go and have, go and have a beer.
Go and have a tea.
Go and have a tea. So those of you who are going to give a statement tomorrow, give it a try. Okay? As your colleagues have done. All right? Now, tomorrow is the closing ceremony. So we have our former fellows. They're going to give you your certificate. I think it's going to be here tomorrow as well. But besides the closing ceremony, we also have our own closing party. And normally the closing party is you who will organize that. Okay? So we have the kaji. That we're giving you that. So you don't have to prepare anything. So you can come up. Maybe 3 or 4 people to come up with a program, and you can build and you can create your own program for the closing ceremony, closing party. Okay. So questions tomorrow. We have a couple of musicians, so great dancers and singers. So maybe what we can do is, again, to pitch in some resources, go and buy food, and let's just have a fantastic evening together tomorrow and relax. Okay?
Don't forget, you are not only behind our backs, you are speaking tomorrow too.
Which one?
You.
Yeah, I will. No worries. I'll be filling the gaps, whatever gaps that has to be filled. Okay? But yes. Yeah. What you can do as well is, I think the official program finishes at 6 o'clock. So you have time to prepare for some food. If you want to prepare some traditional food, you can go home and cook. For the side event, yeah. So for the side event, I mean, you've seen how they have it. Go and buy some croissant, go and buy some drinks, whatever you can provide, let's give it there. There's no pressure. Because we don't have a pressure cooker anyway. Okay? But you have to organize yourselves, all right? At the side event, we have 2 hours. So we just need to divide. We mentioned that for the in-person it's about 20 minutes. Each speaker is for 40 minutes. And for the opening up closing, we have 20 minutes. So we allocate, I would say,
Bahadu kalau nana pun, nana pun. Nana lain lah, dia apa?
Ada habis.
Oh, ya.
Live ya?
Yalah, apa benda ni?
Hai, lah, nabi.